Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Arman and in this video I'm going to analyze the gold chart in the daily and 4-hour time frame. So let's not waste any more time and get to the point. Well, as you can see, based on the latest video that I posted on Sunday, I expected the price to fall after the market was opened, and we saw exactly that happened, and gold managed to fall from 2045 and hit the target of 2017. After the price reached to this zone and was combined by buyer's pressure, it was able to grow up to 2040 again here. But as I said, plenty in the daily analysis in the Telegram channel and trading view, um, we can expect more fall as long as the gold is traded below 40 sorry 2040. Okay, below this zone. Now for more info and details, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, well, as you can see today, with the announcement of CPI statistic and increasing in the inflation of United States, we saw that gold faced a heavy fall and corrected from 2040 to 2044 zone to 2025. Okay, now in my opinion, this fall can continue if the price does not penetrate above 2044 again. Okay, this is an important condition for continuing the downward trend of gold, as the highest price of this week of gold is 2040 2045, and penetrating to the top of the weekly candle can mean changing the bearish trend to the bullish. Tomorrow is the last trading day of this week, and we have to see what will happen to gold and whether our scenario will come true or not. This is the main scenario that I'm talking about. Uh, Wait for the next video on Sunday in the next week before the market is open. Be sure to share your opinion about the possible trend of gold through the comment section with me, and if this video was useful for you, make sure to share it with your friends. Have a nice weekend.